Here is an app called Nugs. Live music lives here. Pretty interesting, cool app. So what is the idea? So you can watch exclusive concert live streams. The premier app for live music streaming featuring high resolution and official concert audio, pro shot live streams and archival concert videos from emerging acts to the world's most iconic artists. So this basically like a concert catalog app and live music, giving fans around the world access to the last night's show and unforgettable moments from decades past. So again, the main feature is this is not just collection of concerts. You can obviously find it everywhere, but this is you can have a live stream from the concert where it's allowed, and of course you need to pay here to get access. And there is a premium sound quality, high-res, lossless streaming available, epic live moments. So pretty good idea. It's getting already a lot of subscriptions and downloads. You can see 48,000 ratings, and that's the app. A lot of like not that well known artists which you can just see in here, and then just you can just start streaming, start your 7-day free trial. It's just basically how you get started. You can also log in with Sirius XM. You can also log in just with nugs, and that's the idea. And if you don't have an account, you can just sign up